Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excel Geek. Today we are going to learn how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Suppose we have the names of 4 cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. In the cell D2, we want the data from this list only to be entered. So what do we do? First we go to data, then we go to data validation. In this dialog box, as you see, there are 3 tabs: settings, input message and error alert. We will cover them one by one. First of all, in this validation criteria, you will have to select list. Here in the source, you will have to enter this range of cells and click on OK button. So as you see, your validation is created and it shows the names of the 4 cities from which you can select. Let's say you would start typing any other city name and press enter. It will not accept. Okay, so now let us go to the other settings of data validation. As you see here, there are quite a few settings. However, I'll show you the few important ones. If you see in the settings tab, and after you have selected the list, there is a function called in cell drop down. If this is ticked, then only your drop down list works in data validation. Let us untick this and see what happens. If I untick this, you see that there is no drop down in this cell now. However, it will accept the validated data only. Let us try. If I enter Delhi, yes, it accepts. But if I enter any other name, it will not accept. So as we see, the validation is working fine, but the drop down menu doesn't display. Now let's go back to data validation box and tick this. Okay. So now the drop down menu is back on the screen. We'll go to one another important setting of the data validation. It is the error alert. So basically there are 3 types of alerts. One is stop, another is warning, and another is information. By default, the warning type is stop if you do not change any settings. So whatever we see when entering a data, it doesn't allow us to enter incorrect data or whatever has been predefined. It is because of your stop function. System will not allow you to enter any other data. Let us try with another type of alert. Let's say it is warning. Let us enter some invalid data and press enter. It shows a warning message that value doesn't match the predefined criteria for this cell. User may override the restriction by clicking yes and make the system accept the invalid data. Now it's time for your bonus tip. How to select or copy a range of cells excluding the hidden rows. Let's find out. As you see here, in this range of cells, row number 6 to 9 are hidden. And while selecting or copying this data, we don't want these 4 rows to be in that range of cells. So what do we do here? We go to home, go to find and select, go to special. You can select visible cells only and click on OK. So as you see here, only the visible data has been selected. Now you can copy this and paste it anywhere you want. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by liking it and subscribing to my channel. Do share your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll be back soon. Thank you.